Do you ever feel like you're busy all day but get nothing done? It's a frustrating feeling, right? Well, today I'm going to share a simple yet incredibly powerful technique that completely changed my productivity game: time blocking. Stay tuned because this might just be the solution you've been looking for. So, what exactly is time blocking? It's a time management method where you schedule out every moment of your day in advance. Instead of working from a long, overwhelming to-do list, you assign a specific time slot for each and every task. This means you're not just deciding what to do, but also when you're going to do it. Think of it like making an appointment with yourself for every single item on your list. This might sound a little intense, but hear me out. The magic of time blocking is that it eliminates decision fatigue. How many times have you finished a task and then spent the next 10, 20, or even 30 minutes just figuring out what to do next? By planning your day ahead of time, you remove that guesswork. You just look at your calendar and see, okay, from 10 to 11 a.m., I'm working on that report. No more procrastinating. No more getting distracted by shiny objects. Let's break down how to get started. First, you need to do a brain dump. Get a piece of paper or open a new document and write down everything you need to do. Everything. Big projects, small errands, emails you need to send, calls you need to make. Get it all out of your head. Next, estimate how long each task will take. Be realistic here. It's better to overestimate a little than to underestimate and fall behind schedule. If you're not sure, try timing yourself the next time you do a similar task to get a better idea. This step is crucial for creating a workable plan. Now comes the fun part: scheduling. Grab your favorite calendar. It can be a physical planner, Google Calendar, or any app you like. Start by blocking out your non-negotiables, things like meetings, appointments, lunch breaks, and your commute. Then start slotting in your tasks from your brain dump list. This is where you get strategic. Try to match the task with your energy levels. Are you a morning person? Tackle your most challenging deep work tasks first thing. Feeling that afternoon slump? Schedule easier, more administrative tasks for that time, like answering emails or organizing files. This is called task batching, and it's a game changer. By grouping similar tasks together, like making all your phone calls in one block, you keep your brain in one mode and work much more efficiently. And here's a pro tip: don't forget to schedule breaks. Your brain needs downtime to recharge. Block out short 5 to 10 minute breaks between tasks to stretch, grab a glass of water, or just step away from your screen. Also, schedule a buffer block of 30 minutes or so at the end of the day. Life happens. A task might take longer than expected, or something urgent might pop up. This buffer time gives you the flexibility to handle surprises without derailing your entire day. The beauty of time blocking is its flexibility. Your first few attempts might not be perfect, and that's okay. At the end of each day, take a few minutes to review your schedule. What worked? What didn't? Maybe you need to schedule longer blocks for creative work or add more breaks. Adjust and adapt. Over time, you'll create a system that's perfectly tailored to your workflow and your life. Give it a try for just 1 week. I promise the feeling of control and accomplishment you'll get is absolutely worth it. You will be amazed at how much you can achieve when you tell your time where to go instead of wondering where it went. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this guide helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips on how to work smarter, not harder. Let me know in the comments if you've tried time blocking and how it's worked for you. See you in the next video.